Hey guys, welcome to day number 7 for the 90-day paper trading challenge. My name is Nick, and here on my channel, I am taking 90 days to paper trade or simulation trade, not using real money, but using fake money against the real active market, real-time trade quotes, in order to trade options so that I can teach myself, train myself, or maybe not teach myself, but learn from the mistakes and the successes that I have over the 90-day period. If at the end of the 90-day period, I am successful in growing my account from $1,000 to what I hope would be like $1 million, that'd be sweet, then I would, the plan is to go and take my $1,000 out of my savings and then go put that in a real account and then start actively trading. Because after 90 days, if I can grow my account substantially, trading options every single trading day or most trading days, then I will have learned how to do it properly and will mitigate risk. Paper trading is all about mitigating risk because it is such a risky method of trading in the stock market. You can lose everything all in one day. You can also make everything all in one day. Hoping that day number 7 pans out to be a really good day. We are just a couple minutes from the market opening. You can see right here on my account that it says paper account detail, also PM, paper money, not real money, fake money. We're sitting at $4,000. At the end of this video, I'll show you a breakdown of everything that we've gained every single day. You can look at the numbers and all that. Also, you can check out previous videos where I show you how all of those numbers work. Right off the bat, we've got a strong push in this first minute. We're just gonna kind of wait out. I'll check back in just a couple minutes after we hit 935 and we draw those two lines. We'll see where we sit at that point. Seems like it's trying to push, but it's in a consolidation. It's clearly in a consolidation pattern, and so I want to wait for it to break beyond either that green horizontal or that red horizontal support and resistance and then retest before we do anything. I do feel like because of this 5-minute candle, it's got such a big bottom wick. If it closes out there in the next 2 minutes, that we will see a push up beyond. You can see the movement that we had Friday was super huge, and then today is just this tiny little consolidation movement. So I really need to monitor myself and just be careful with what I'm doing because we've got a lot of room and a lot of time for things to adjust and to turn around. All right, closing out my positions currently of calls because it's just too choppy to tell right now. I'm down $851. Too choppy to tell. Here's the deal. I'm not an experienced trader and I'm just doing this to learn. $851 lesson feels a lot better knowing it's not real money. What can I say? This is where we're at today. Gonna watch it for the next hour, maybe 45 minutes, and just see where it goes from there. But thanks for watching. Hope this was somewhat helpful, and I'll see you on day 8 for hopefully a green day.